Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make masking tape. For making masking tape you need a paper on which you are going to draw, and you need a cello tape, a transparent white cello tape which is easily available at any stationery store. So then the second step is you need to take the tape how much you need, and you have to keep the sticky side up. After keeping the sticky side up, you need to slightly wet your hands and put the water on the tape by using your fingers. You don't have to put excess water, or else the whole glue of the tape will be gone and it will be not good for you to use. So after doing that, you are going to take the paper and stick it. So I am sticking it. So I am done with sticking, so that is why I am using a crayons here. I'm using Camlin oil pastel to test, and so I'm using a red color. I'm going to smudge it with my finger. So we will gently remove out the tape which we used with some patience. You can see how gently it is coming out. There is no marks of any colors, and it's also looking pretty. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.